No, I think at the outset I must say congratulations. The first stage has been successfully accomplished, docking accomplished, and in fact they have made it before time. So going by the jargon which is very popularly followed in the domestic airlines these days, back home in India they would have announced, happy to announce before time arrival. In fact, it's been about 30-40 minutes before the scheduled time that we had held since this morning. And now I think the next, they are virtually standing, as I tweeted, they are virtually standing at the threshold entrance. And the next would be, of course, they're formally entering into the ISS, and they have also planned a formal welcome ceremony by those of the astronauts who are already there to actually formally, officially receive the 4 who are today going to be part of that expedition along with them.
So how proud matter is this for India? How do you see this year? Also just tweeted and
No.
congratulated March.
No, I think proud also because the fact that this time around India has been entrusted to perform the most critical part of the expedition, the crucial experiments, particularly those related to life sciences, those related to the possibilities of exploring the potential or the probability of habitat at microgravity milieu, whether it's in relation to the microorganisms or the human beings, the various functions and or dysfunctions likely to happen with regard to the human physiology. And this is something which is going to have a very critical bearing on all the future expeditions across the world. And mind you, we started our space journey much later compared to the United States or even the Soviet Union. In fact, when we started, by that time the United States of America had already landed a human being on the surface of Earth, the surface of Moon in 1969. But today, our credibility, the trustworthiness of our capacities has risen to such an extent that it is our talent which is being looked forward to for a collaboration which would benefit others as well. So I think that's a huge change of what it was till a few years back, and it is today.